Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the basics. Verify your Riot account and enable secure login so you can prove ownership if needed. Once done, remove any third-party software, cheats, macros, or injectors, because detection is the fastest path to a penalty. Make sure to stop leaving matches early and avoid griefing. Consistent presence and sportsmanlike play reduce flagging risk. These first actions prevent immediate infractions and establish a clean record you can reference if you ever need to appeal. Once you're playing, focus on conduct. Communicate clearly and professionally so you don't become the target of reports yourself. If someone breaks rules, use the in-game report right away and note match ID and times so you have specifics. Meanwhile, mute or block toxic players instead of engaging, and record short clips or chat logs when possible. These are invaluable if a false report or misinterpretation occurs. Doing this reduces your own risk and creates a paper trail to support you if needed. If you receive a penalty, act methodically. Submit an appeal through Riot support, include match ID, clips, and a concise timeline explaining why the penalty is incorrect or mitigated. Once submitted, monitor your email and respond rapidly to any requests for logs or screenshots. Delays slow resolution. If things go wrong, don't create replacement accounts. Wait the specified period and escalate politely through support channels with your existing ticket number. This approach gives you the best chance to reverse or reduce penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.